Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Papang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati sa iyo. Happy birthday, Pang. I love you so much. I miss you so much. Always pray to God and don't forget to worship every Saturday. I love you, love you, love you so much. I love you, Pang. Happy 62nd birthday. I miss you so much.